Good afternoon from beautiful Sydney, Australia. Today we're going to take you around and go explore this beautiful city. It's our first day here.
We're super excited because we're going to go to the Sydney Opera House, which is an iconic landmark here in Sydney, Australia. And we're also going to see the Sydney Harbour Bridge and whatever else we can get up to.
Let's go. Over the past 3 weeks we've been staying in Melbourne, taking care of some dogs using an app called Trusted House Sitters. And in Melbourne we took the opportunity to go to an animal reserve where we got to pet and feed kangaroos and see koalas. There's some beautiful clips of that now. And now, on to the train to take us to the harbor.
Okay, we made it. There's the Opera House right there, and there's the bridge.
Wow. The one thing we wanted to do, but we're not going to, is climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge. You can see people walking up there, but it is $300 a person.
Over 300.
Canadian.
It's like, yeah, 300 Canadian.
So we're just gonna watch people do it and drink our coffees. But you can see them right up there. So it's a Sunday here in Australia, and it just happens to be Father's Day, so it's the busiest time again. As always, we're always here at the busiest time, but it's super nice and beautiful. Okay, we're just heading back over to get some more photos, and then we're gonna go across the harbor.
For more photos.
For more photos, but to look at it at nighttime. And no one actually tells you this, but the side panels of the Opera House actually light up, or they project a show on it at nighttime. So tonight they're doing like some constellation show. And they project it on the side of it at sunset, so that's super cool. And the Opera House is one of the buildings on our trips that's actually much cooler in person than the photos make it out to be.
Okay, now we're about to get on a ferry ride across the harbor. We're super excited, and we'll drive right past the Sydney Opera House and pass in between the bridge. So it's gonna be fun.
Alrighty, we made it across the harbor. If you want to come do this, you can get off at the Jeffrey Street stop, ferry stop, and then you have beautiful views of the harbor from the other side.
Okay, we saw the Sydney Opera House in the daytime, at sunset, and at nighttime, so now we're ready to go back to our Airbnb here in Sydney, and we'll see you tomorrow.